Hi, I'm Dustin Blankenship, the Assistant Academic Dean for the WVJC family of schools. When asked to talk about my favorite Christmas memory, it's a little bit difficult because I had so many wonderful memories as a child growing up. I remember getting up on Christmas morning and going through my stocking and just spending time with my family and our friends. But probably the most special recent Christmas of memory was when I was living in Austin, Texas. As a recent transplant, I didn't really have a lot of family or even friends in the area at the time, but the owner of the local watering hole next door, the pool hall, had reached out to several of us who lived in the area who knew that were transplants, and he catered an entire Christmas dinner on Christmas Day. And all of us transplants from all over the country came in together and ate a free meal together as a family on Christmas Day. And that was so special to me and all of us. So from all of our family viewers, have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and a wonderful holidays.
Hi, Merry Christmas. I'm Carrie Friend, and I'm the Medical Externship Coordinator here at WVJC. And this is
Gianna Villanueva. I'm the Externship Administrative Assistant here at WVJC.
one of our favorite Christmas memories has to do with putting up the tree. We want to take this time to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
My name is Gabbi Johnson, and I'm the Executive Administrative Assistant here at West Virginia Junior College. When asked to talk about my favorite Christmas memory, the thing that came to my mind the most is how every year my grandma makes a traditional mushroom soup, and my family gathers at her house on Christmas Eve to eat the soup and spend time together and open presents at her house. But one specific memory that stuck out in my mind is when I was very young, I was going about my day regular Christmas, opening my stocking, and I got a dog leash and some dog treats, and I thought that my family was going to make me act like a dog and walk around and pretend that I was a dog. Well, I later found out that I was getting a dog as a present, which was a great surprise, and it's one of the most memorable things about Christmas for me.
My best Christmas memory was one year my father had a huge box underneath the Christmas tree. And he went to bed on Christmas Eve dreaming about this box. And then when he opened it up on Christmas morning, there was a giant cigarette lighter in it. When he opened the box on Christmas morning, it was a bunch of little boxes that had been wrapped individually. And he got down to the very last box, and it was a roll of black electrical tape from my brother.